You know, we've talked to a lot of people, and this is really the industry standard for contractors. It's the DEWALT cordless drill and impact driver set. It even comes in this handy bag. And here's your charger, plugs into 110 standard AC, and here's your impact driver with a little belt hook on it. And what's nice about this is it comes with 2 batteries. You don't have to hot swap or constantly look for a charge battery. You've always got 2. It works really well, accepts any type of drill bit or screwdriver bit. And the impact driver is super handy if you have a lot of masonry around like we do in Florida. Great kit, super reliable, and everyone I know in the business relies on these for everyday tasks.